Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Minor Creations. Today I'm making French toast. So I'm going to tell you the ingredients. We'll need eggs, some sugar, we need some cinnamon powder, we'll need a bowl, some bread, a mixer, and milk. So I'm going to break the eggs first. Oops. Whoa, slippery. So soaky, right guys? So I'm gonna put a half cup of milk. Now I'm gonna put some 2 spoons of sugar. Now I'm going to take a pinch of this. Now I'm going to mix it very well. Mix, michi. It's blotchy, michi. This is blotchy, michi. Did I say smotchy, michi? So we have to heat the pan. So I already heat the pan. So I'm going to take a little bit. I'm applying the butter. So we'll have to dip the bread in this bowl and then put it on the pan. So here's my piece of bread. Dip it here. Now dip it the other side. Now let's put it on the pan. Now it's done in the golden color. I will put it on this plate. Now the French toast is ready from all that baking. Finally, I can taste it. Tastes good, you guys. You have to try some. Please subscribe my channel and ring the bell. Bye!